Hey guys, it's me guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm showing you how to do the drip glitch. So you have to have a drip top, drip cap, whatever. I have a drip top, I had to take it off to do this hack. So first of all, I will not be leveling up on this account because I'm already VIP. So I can't do that. But the account that you will be leveling up, you'll get pretty good stuff and you can send it to your main. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to make a tab of your new thing. So it is called Queen MSP 123. The password is lol123 if you want to go take it. So that's that. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do the drip thing. So guys, it's not hard at all. It's super easy, but sometimes you do fail, but it would still level up the account a bit. Well, that's what mine does. Anywho, so once you're in the account, I just always skip that bit because I don't like doing that. And blah blah. Can I like unadd you, please? I don't like you. Oh yep, cartwheel, that's fine. Oh, I have to add her. Okay, so what you want to do, go into your main and add that count. So I'm going to go into friends. Sorry about all over the place. And Queen MSP 123. I'm going to add that ugly account. Yeah. Now I'm going to accept it on this account. On the account I just added. Because you have to be able to like send back and forth. So now we're friends. And this is already on level 2. Because I got a friend. That's like so lonely. Okay, so I got this hair. Not pretty. But that will do. Okay, level 2. Not pretty, but it will do. That's a bit yellow. Okay, I don't care about the color anymore. Okay, so what you want to do is go on to your main. You're going to send your drip, whatever you're doing. I'm doing drip top. I find it the best. Drip top, you're going to send it. Here it is. You're going to give it. Right? So then you will see a gift here. Right? And once you open it, you know... It's already here. So once you open it, you know the way there's no case on, you want to click that twice really quickly and then go hit this yellow bit up here. I failed. Got it. Level 6. So she's making a video right now. So yeah. So I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, so this is level 3's award. I didn't choose anything, I just had to talk to Jade. So I'm going to go ahead and, I don't like those shoes by me, but I'm going to pick them. Okay, level 4. That got that twice now. Yes. Cute. Guys, just got diamond pack hair. Flamingo hair. OMG. Okay. Need to find a blondie kind of color. Hey, trying to find blonde. Oh, she's supposed to find a blonde somewhere here. That's really not that nice. Okay. So I didn't get to do that one, but who cares? Gonna collect all these. Just so like I can get a few star coins. And hopefully you'll try level it up a bit. Because I really want this account to be leveled up a lot. Because I made this and did this hack on it. That's how I got really good stuff. I got it to level 11 really quickly. Sorry if this is glitching on yours or anything. It's not glitching on mine, but if it is, like. And I'm very sorry if I'm going really quickly. I want to do activities and get the first activity. Yeah, that's the only one I'm gonna get. Okay, so that much, basically 700. I'm going to then, what I'm going to do is send it back, and then from my main, I'm going to send it back onto this account. I'll be back when I'm on the next level. Okay, so I sent it onto this account. Again, I'm going to click here, do it really quickly. Sometimes I do fail at it, but still levels it up. Got it, level 7. Oh my god, that's so pretty. This, please. See what I mean, guys? So if you're on level 0, it would level you up to 6 or 5, and then you can, then it carries on 1 or 2 sometimes. So I'm going to send that back, and I'll be back when I'm at the next level. So I sent it back to this account again. It's really hard doing it, actually. Nope, this one didn't work. Oh, it got a bit. You see, if it doesn't work, that's what it does. It goes up quite a bit, though. In fairness, you do have to say it does go up a bit. So, back when I'm on level 8. Guys, I'm level 8, and look what I got. Oh my god. Gonna get the hair, because I don't know why.
Eat the sausage, Grant.
Just gonna get the hair. Back at level 9. Guys, these are level 9 gifts. I've been getting this a lot, but I'm getting this. Back at level 10, and I'm probably going to stop at level 10, so this is going to be the last level, so I'll be back at level 10. So guys, I'm not allowed giving you gifts anymore because I've done the 25 already, so whenever I can tomorrow, I will level this account up to level 10 if I remember the password, which I already don't. So I'm just going to go send earned to my main at the moment, so you get to watch that. Guys, I got diamond pack. Can't believe I got a diamond pack one. This is diamond pack flamingo hair. Still going to send the rest. Yeah, guys, I was just texting on my phone. Cause I'm tired of the fake love. Tell me what you made of.
Do you know where I put the pink school bag?
No. So guys, that was just my Mama Balina. Mama Balina. I know I can't say. Sorry, my house is like all over the place at the moment. I'm tired of the fake love. Oh my god. Lasting scent. Yum. Finley. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and bye! And comment. If my head is whacked up there. bed. If this hack worked for you, love you.